Hi, welcome back to editing with me. I'm feeling very awkward because there is a camera and I don't really know how I should act in front of the camera, but it is fine. We're gonna get used to it. Anyways, let's start because we don't have anything much to talk about, you know? I didn't wash my hair. I put on a beanie hat. I don't know, beanie? Do they even call those beanies anymore? But anyways, let's look at what we have. And we have this beautiful man. And funny thing, because I was picking an image and like trying to understand what I'm gonna do, and unconsciously, because I was listening to music, I unconsciously started already doing the design, and I stopped at the beginning. I was like, whoa, 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 I need to show this. So we're gonna get right into it. I already started applying the, what's it called, layer mask, and I don't really have much of an idea at the moment what I want to do, but I want to cut him out of this white background. Gonna remove his beautiful curls. Sorry, beautiful man. Do 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 do. Looks pretty good, right? I know. Maybe like you can see these curls being weird. I think it's just weird because we know how it was before. Not sure. But this is gonna do. Because we'll apply more things, so I don't think it's gonna be that visible, you know? Looks beautiful. Let's move him a little bit to the side and make him a little bit bigger. Like this. So what I wanted to do now was to apply, sorry, I'm gonna roll my sleeves because this is way too big. And I have a sweater under because it's freaking cold in Australia. Electricity bill came through and I got a heart attack because it's double than previous period, and especially the fact that you're sitting in lockdown, it's a lot. So I guess we're dressing up. So I want to brush. I wanted to use bold colors. I'm gonna use normal brush, not dissolve, but do this on dissolve and see. Yeah, I like it. Gives a little bit of a grain for it. In my opinion, it sometimes can be really hard to like do this brushing things because maybe it's very like, you know, bold, and maybe I don't really know where exactly I want to apply these things, but you know, we are trying, we're doing, we'll see how it is. With my work, I like to try because you can always delete it. It's literally everything is just trying, and I am here for the ride. See, this is not good. I just take it and delete it. Like nothing happened. Okay, let's try again. Hold its first try. Brush. What if we would like this? Such a cliche. Oh fuck. That's what happens when you forget to put a layer mask. Do it with the layer mask. I am in love. Thing that I'm gonna do is, you know what it is, we're trying to be edgy. Let's put the freaking grain. Next, we will drink some water. And put some texture. Downloaded new textures, so we'll try working with them. Oh, I know, I remember what I wanted to do now. It looks kind of 2009, but like in a good way. Yep, looks like 2009. Ooh, damn, damn, damn. I like it. Ooh. Love this kind of abstract weirding. Okay, now I know what I wanted to do, so we're gonna go for that. I need a paper texture. Not this one. We have paper texture and texture. I call these folders such weird names and I then don't remember. And they're like, oh, where is this and where is that? So I wanted the whites to become yellows, like a cardboard, like this. Doesn't look like that's sexy like it was before. For a long time I thought that consider someone beautiful or attractive is kind of like objectifying that person, but I don't think it's wrong anymore. I think that it's just straight facts. Yeah, we're getting that. We're getting that. Yes. Okay. You see, curls look alright. You forgot about them at all. Damn, I love it. Then I will go back. We have scratches, as they call them. By the way, all of these things are free on the internet. It took me maybe 2 years of like collecting everything. Sometimes just sit down and look for textures, and oh, it gives me so much excitement. I'm like, ooh, what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna put them, where are they gonna be? Are they gonna be in the background? Are they gonna be on the top? Like, you know, I'm gonna layer them. Like these whole strips, how are they gonna go through the face? It's just exciting. A bag. I want this like fancy desk where you just like work at like standing. Could I just be like, oh, I could work like this. Let's work like this. Might be, it's not that comfortable, but it's gonna be fine. Unexpected, but I like it. Well, I'm not comfortable. I don't think there is anything else that we can do. We can put on some text. It's like very cheekily. Is it possible to do it cheekily? Oh yeah, look, I want to put it just like here. a lot of a cheeky text. I have one more thing that I want to do. Making smart object, just because if you're not making it a smart object, when you make it small, press enter, and when you make it big again, it's gonna lose its pixels. So always fucking make that smart object. It's not that hard. Remember it, please. Gonna help you. Might not need this, but oh boy, I want it. Today I had a discussion that sometimes the best things happen when it's like when you don't put that much effort and when you take little time to no time to do it. And I feel like this is exactly what's happening. There is no need to do anything else. It's like perfectly done. I think we're done, guys. This is it. We did it. I actually don't really know if I need these things. I think that they give some color. That's why I'm gonna keep them. Otherwise, it would look just like, you know, all grainy picture. But this one is like, oh, there's a bit of a color. And I think that a lot of people will say that, oh, it's better without it. But that's what I like about it, that makes you question it. It's like, is it really necessary? And I'm like, I think it is necessary. Yeah, I think it is necessary. I'm giving myself second doubts. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it. You can leave your little thoughts down below on the comments. They're always open. You can send me hate, everything. I'm open. Yeah, and I see you next Sunday. Do you like it on Sundays? Let me know. Okay, love you, subscribe and do all these things. Toodles!